To connect Samsung S25 Plus into your car by using Bluetooth, first of all, on your smartphone, go to the settings, open connections, then navigate into connections, and you have to be sure that you switch on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Next, you will have to move into your car screen, and you just have to open the settings, then go into network. You have to basically enable Wi-Fi connection on your car, like that. And also do the same for Bluetooth. So in my case, it's actually a little bit hidden. I have to click on the right upper corner settings, and here I can turn on Bluetooth and visibility in my car. So right now, what I have to do is just to grab my phone back, go into settings again, open Bluetooth, and from all available devices, I have to just select my car. So if you cannot detect your car, just click scan in this right side and then tap on your car and wait for some pop-up notifications. So as you can see, if it is not working properly, you just have to tap on your car name a few times, then you will receive a Bluetooth pairing request. So you will have to click pair on your car screen, on your phone screen, and also on your car screen. And right now you will receive some other notifications and permissions that you have to accept on your car and on your Samsung S25 Plus. So allow for everything, for messages, for contacts, if you want to fully take advantage of Android Auto and your S25. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.